Reduce tooth stripping and enhance your cutting performance on the Bosch and Masterforce portable bandsaws with the professional MK Morse 1014 TPI porta-band blade. This quality American-made porta-band is designed to boost power and performance while delivering fast, clean cuts in a variety of materials. The 28 and 13/16 inch long porta-band blade will fit the Bosch and Masterforce machines and will excel in cutting materials ranging from 3/16 inch to 1/4 inch in thickness. The 1014 TPI blade can cut prime applications such as rigid conduit for electrical, strut, threaded rod, and pipe. The teeth of the 1014 TPI blade are designed with an alternating tooth pattern which improves blade life, reduces stress, and leaves a clean, workable finish. This American-made blade is engineered to reduce problematic vibrations that strip teeth and cause blade chatter. At Sawblade.com, we manufacture quality American bandsaw blades that are made to order and offer an extensive line of sawing products. We also sell circular blades, coolant, machines, and aftermarket parts, so you can think of us as your one-stop shop for all your sawing needs. Thanks for watching, and please also check out Sawblade.tv for more in-depth videos, product overviews, and tech tips to take your cutting game to the next level. I'm Celeste, product specialist at Sawblade.com, and remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.